Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2019 Sentra. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.